Python different modules. So let us discuss on it.
Can import our module according to our requirement, and also at the same time we can rename it. That means we can create the alias of the imported module. So here import math module as m. So next time if I want to use this math name as a module name, here instead of that we'll be using m dot. So print the value of pi is m dot pi. Because we have done the renaming of it, we have done the alias of this math as m. So m dot pi will print the respective pi value. Now use of from math import pi. So that is another way to import this pi here. So from math import pi. So in this case there is no need to write math dot pi. Here you can use directly this pi here in our respective print statement. So if I execute the code, we are getting the output like this one. Next one is import all names from the standard module math. In that case we can go for from math import star. So all the names from the standard module math will get imported, and later you can use this pi for the printing, that is the value of pi is pi here. So in this way, in this particular demonstration we have shown you that how to import modules and how to use from and how to use this renaming operation while importing our modules. Thanks for watching this video.